afternoon, everyone. We are the Gryffindor.
Police engineers South African author anti-war campaigner and intellectual. He is president, remembers the Circle Travel. The story of an African farm, 1883, which has been highly acclaimed, lives with such and important issues as agnostic, positional, independent individualism, the professional expectation of human and the elemental nature of life or the colonial concern. Olive readers think the late 20th century scholars have also credited Peter as an advocate for the Afrikaners and other South African groups who were excluded from political power for decades, such as Stephenus Lassie, and William. He showed interest in socialism, fascism, Hitlerism, and criticism, among other topics. Their views still restrictive categorizations. Olive Steeler, her published works and other surviving promote values such as moderation, friendship, and understanding among those people and avoid the pitfalls of political capitalism, which he consistently dismissed was a lifelong practitioner. She also continued to adhere to the spirit of the Christian Bible and developed a regular pursuit of the worldview of her missionary parents and mystical evidence.
Scrivener is also known for her reading of Man-to-Man of the House Elementary published posthumously came out before her death. The first edition was produced by Samuel Cornwright Scrivener. It was re-edited and published by the University of Cape Town. Press edited and produced by Rodney Wright. This edition corrects previous error and provide another handling the novel Scrivener's own works. From Man to Man, perhaps only was said by the Scrivener for youth amongst his own. From exploring a white woman this life, colonial era South Africa offered most eventually expand its gaze to include black women, girls whose descent heavily formed the central characters of the struggle for liberty herself in her children against the from Man to Man, perhaps only was said by Springer to be favored among her authors. Exploring white women the Islam life and colonial era. South Africa, the novel eventually expanded its case to include black women and most saved brethren, informing the central characters struggle to create herself and children
The story of an African farm. South African farm, a South African author, Olive Scrivener's first published novel.
He keeps
It was
teasing
published in
Aldrich.
1883 under the
The
pseudonym Ralph
one who's
Ireland.
wearing
It
green
was an
shirt.
immediate success
Sitting down
and has become
in front of
recognized as one of the first feminist novels. The story of an African farm was written during the era of first wave feminism and has been recognized for its revolutionary feminist politics. Though some scholars have criticized the novel as racist and exclusionist. tribes, the difference is how men and women experience love.
The story on African farm was written during the era of first wave feminism. The story of African farm. The novel details the lives of three characters, first as children and then as adults. Waldo and Leila, who lived on a farm in the Karo region of South Africa. The story is set in the middle of the late 19th century. The First World War is called the What Not Mentioned by Name. The book is semi-autobiographical. In the particular, the whole principle that Waldo and Leila displayed strong similarities to Skinner's life and philosophy. The story of African farming was divided into three sections. The first section introduced us to the characters as children living on a farm in Macaro and reveals their innermost feelings.
The story of African farm was divided into three sections. The first section is the story of African farm was divided into three sections. The second section is individual and institution systems and largely double-sized. Papa has gone to school and allows to incidents still to come. This year's memory what was journey from Christian fanatic system to despairing atheism. Nature is almost perfectly devoid of political context. Also, one of the philosophy essentially exposed in the first and the third section of the book, and second section is from the first person plural pronoun, we as ETC, the use of the plural under the fact that Skinner so want to something for an entrepreneur. The story of African farm was divided into this section. The third section covers the life of the three main characters, Adolf again. The focus is on Brando and Linda both from who leave the farm and travel to different parts of South Asia, also to the Natal area and Graham Town and Finland to Lumsung and into the Transvaal.
The third section covers the lives of the three main characters as adults. The focus on Waldo.
That's our presentation today. Thank you.